Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad tasty. First, select a diverse mix of fresh greens. Thoroughly wash and dry them. Excess water dilutes flavor. Combine tender options like butter lettuce with hardier ones such as kale for an interesting textural contrast. This foundational step is crucial for a truly enjoyable salad experience, setting the stage for deliciousness. Next, elevate your salad with a variety of flavorful additions. Introduce crunch with toasted nuts or homemade croutons. Savory elements like crumbled feta cheese or perfectly roasted sweet potatoes add depth. Don't forget a touch of sweetness. A few berries or dried apricots can balance the flavors beautifully. Aim for a mix of textures and tastes to keep every bite exciting. The dressing is paramount to a tasty salad. Opt for homemade over store-bought. It offers fresh, vibrant flavors. A classic vinaigrette needs a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to acid, plus salt and pepper. Consider adding a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for emulsification. Remember to dress your salad sparingly, just before serving, ensuring every leaf is coated but not drowned. Finally, perfect your salad with a few finishing touches. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper enhances all the flavors. Fresh herbs, such as chopped chives or basil, introduce a wonderful aroma and a burst of freshness. Serve your masterpiece immediately on a chilled plate to maintain crispness. Enjoy your truly tasty, homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.